going to share my family's trip to Lena Pillars. Lena Pillars is located 200 kilometers away from the city of Yakutsk. In the winter, as you get closer to the pillars, you have to drive over a frozen river. The pillars are made up of huge limestone formations created by water and wind erosion over the past 500 million years. It takes around 40 minutes to get to the top of the pillars on foot. And finally we made it to the top. In 2012, Lena Pillars was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in recognition of its outstanding natural beauty and cultural importance. Now let's enjoy the view from the top of the pillars. On the way back, we got caught up in a snowstorm. It was hard to see the road, we were scared and were considering going back to the pillars until the storm calmed down. Fortunately, a passing taxi stopped and saw that something was wrong. The driver approached us and asked whether or not we needed help. Since he was an experienced driver along this route, we just asked him to lead the way and we followed closely behind. Within moments, we encountered a stationary vehicle. We stopped and offered to help them push their car out of the snow. It is important to help others if we stand there in a dangerous situation. Passing by and ignoring a vehicle in danger is not an option here. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.